you can do the sound check, Safi. It's up to you. Is that what you want to do?